Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In this video, we're going to explore how to build hierarchies in Tableau and how to handle dates in Tableau, a great feature that lets you organize related fields and drill into your data step by step. First of all, we discuss about why use hierarchies. Many datasets already contain a natural hierarchical structure. For example, retail data often includes product category, gender, customer ID. With Tableau, you can set up these levels in a hierarchy. This means users can click to expand or collapse parts of the data and explore it more interactively, right in the view. There are two ways to create a hierarchy in Tableau. First one, drag and drop. This is the most intuitive method. Open your Tableau worksheet and load your data. In the data pane, locate the fields you want to group. For example, product category, gender, and customer ID. Click and drag one field, like gender, directly on top of another, like product category. Tableau will open the Create Hierarchy dialog box. Give the hierarchy a name such as Category 1 and click OK. Now drag in other fields like Customer ID to add them to the hierarchy. You can reorder levels at any time by dragging fields up or down. Now you'll see a chart that demonstrates how hierarchies work in Tableau. As you interact with the chart by clicking the small plus or minus icons. Second one, using the right-click menu. This method is handy when you want to select multiple fields at once. In the data pane, hold Shift or Ctrl and click the fields you want to include. For example, product category, gender and customer ID. Once they are selected, right-click on any one of them. Choose Hierarchy, Create Hierarchy. Name the hierarchy, Category 2. Tableau will create the hierarchy, but by default it puts the fields in alphabetical order. So you may need to rearrange them by dragging to the correct order. Product category, gender and customer ID. Now you'll see a chart that demonstrates how hierarchies work in Tableau. As you interact with the chart by clicking the small plus or minus, icons. Now we will discuss about how Tableau handles dates. When you bring a date field into Tableau, it automatically recognizes it as a date if your data is clean. Tableau can then break that date down into components like year, quarter, month, day, exact date and time. These date parts can be used in two ways, discrete or continuous. There are two ways to handle dates in Tableau. First one, defining a fiscal year in Tableau. By default, Tableau uses January as the start of the year, but you can change this to match your business's fiscal year. How to set a fiscal year? In the data pane, right-click your date field. Select Default Properties Fiscal Year Start. Choose the month your fiscal year starts. Tableau will now use that month as the beginning of each fiscal year in all views using that field. This is helpful for financial reporting or businesses with non-calendar fiscal periods. Second one, creating custom dates. Sometimes you may need a special version of a date, like just the month name, or a combination like Q1 2025. To create a custom date field, right-click your date field in the data pane, click Create Custom Date in the dialog box, give your new field a name. Choose date part discrete or date value continuous. Select the part you want, year, month, quarter, etc. You now have a custom date field you can use like any other dimension in your visualizations. And that's it. Building hierarchies in Tableau and understanding how to work with dates, whether it's discrete versus continuous, setting up fiscal years, or creating custom dates, is simple, powerful, and essential for making your dashboards more interactive and insightful. At Neural Tech, we deliver industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job offers. Visit our website to learn more.